And in our step number 5 of our DCF model, we will calculate equity value per share. So let's go ahead and do it right here. First, we want to convert our unlevered free cash flow into the present value. So I'm going to use NPV, net present value formula for that, equals NPV. I'm going to grab that function with tab button. As for the rate, I'm going to take my WACC in the cell D34, and my values I want to grab here are the values of unlevered free cash flow of all my projected years. Amazing, I like the formula, enter. My terminal value is equal to the last free cash flow for the last projected year multiplied by 1 plus my growth rate and divided by WACC minus growth rate. Growing perpetuity method we discussed in other videos with you. I like the formula, enter. Now I want to convert my terminal value into the present value, and I'm going to use PV, present value function of Excel for that. My rate will be again my WACC. My number of periods is 5 years. My payment is 0. And my future value is my terminal value located in the cell B35. I am happy with the formula. I'm going to click enter, and I just received a present value of terminal value. And the next step is to calculate enterprise value, which is basically my present value of free cash flows for projected years plus present value of terminal value. I got the number. Now we take debt and cash from our balance sheet, and by building a bridge from enterprise value to equity value, we will find the equity value number. Remember, enterprise value minus debt plus cash or minus net debt will lead us to equity value. Amazing, I like the number. Now I'm gonna calculate equity value per share. My diluted shares here came from 10K of Microsoft Corporation. You can always find this number on the very bottom of the first page of 10K for any company. And all I need to do now is take my equity value and divide by diluted shares. My equity value per share for Microsoft based on my DCF model is $312.40.